Hey all, Wild for Games here, helping you out with everything you need to know about Mixer. And in this quick Mixer video, I'm going to show you what sparks are, how you use them, what to use them for, and also what experience points are for on Mixer. We're getting started right now. If you're a brand new streamer to the Mixer platform, or perhaps you're coming from another platform to enjoy somebody that you want to watch on Mixer, Sparks are a site-wide currency that you acquire by watching a streamer, or you can even accumulate them by streaming yourself. They can be used on things like purchasing teams or using interactive controls on stream. A little bit more on this later. When watching a streamer or streaming yourself, you earn 50 sparks per minute while on the platform. Now, just to let you know, there are different tiers for pro sub, channel sub, and non-channel sub that will add multipliers per minute for your total sparks that you can accumulate over time. To earn sparks on Mixer, when you watch or broadcast yourself, you will earn 50 sparks per minute. If you need any more help with the sparks chart, I'll be sure to leave a link down below so that we can click on it, so that way you can decipher what kind of account you have and you'll know exactly how many sparks you'll earn per minute. For an extra bonus tip, if you're low on sparks out there, you can earn additional 25 sparks per minute if you watch any one of the featured streamers on the Channel 1 channel on Mixer's platform. So what can we use sparks on when it comes to watching a Mixer streamer? Well, currently on the platform at the moment, you can use them to create teams, enable interactive games, launch skills on a channel, and use other apps the community comes up with, such as soundboards. The biggest benefit to Sparks is it helps benefit your favorite partnered streamer on Mixer's platform by helping it fill their patronage meter. We'll get a little more into this in another video because it'll really help support your favorite partnered streamer out there. When it comes to experience points, they're earned in the exact same way. 50 experience points per minute. However, I couldn't find any information that lets me know if there's multipliers or additional bonuses tied to any particular asset within Mixer's platform that would get you a little bit more. So I'm going to assume it's just 50 per minute regardless of who you watch. Once you get enough XP on Mixer, you'll level up your account to unlock new features and show your prestige to the world. Essentially, it's a nice little badge that you get to show off to other fellow people on the platform, letting them know how dedicated you are to Mixer. Mixer's a great platform, but it can be a little confusing for anybody that's brand new to it. And you probably even have questions on what are embers, which is okay, because I got you covered that. Gonna put a video over here to the side that's gonna show you exactly what embers are and what they're used for on Mixer's platform. So I'll see you in that video, and until next time, my name is Wild for Games, and peace!